That's right, folks. Today, we've compiled a list of 5 easy and delightful gardening projects that will not only make your space look great, but also help you connect with nature on a deeper level. 1. Mason jar herb garden. Create a mini herb garden in mason jars using pebbles or stones as drainage. Fill the jars with potting soil, plant your favorite herbs, and watch them flourish. Not only do these jars look great on your countertop, but they also provide a convenient way to enjoy fresh herbs all year long. 2. Vertical pallet garden. Upgrade an old wooden pallet by painting it and placing growing spaces like containers or pots on top. This creates an instant vertical garden that can help with space optimization and attracts birds and pollinators. 3. Indoor succulent planter. Display your favorite succulents in small glass containers with gravel or pebbles at the bottom. Not only do succulents add a pop of color, but they are also low maintenance and perfect for indoor spaces. 4. Bird feeders. Make your own bird feeders using materials like pine cones, peanut butter, and birdseed. Hang these feeders around your garden or balcony to attract birds and create a soothing atmosphere. 5. Compost bin. Create your own compost bin using materials like an old dresser drawer or wooden pallet. Composting not only helps reduce waste, but also produces a nutrient-rich soil that is great for your garden plants. And there you have it, 5 simple gardening projects that will not only beautify your space, but also help you connect with nature from the comfort of your own home. We hope you enjoy these projects and find them helpful. Until next time, stay green and happy gardening.